semi-dedicated server will give you the versatility you need to run multiple sites and multimedia content. Unlike a dedicated server, you are not paying for an entire server machine. This saves you money, but still gives you far more resources than a standard server. Inadequate server resources can cost your business site money and create a negative image of reliability with your existing customers. With us, this will never be a problem. We manage and control the server for you, meaning that we maintain the hardware and set up the server for you with our team of trained professionals, giving you the freedom to promote and manage your websites and applications. Semi-dedicated servers give you the CPU capacity and database query quotes that you need for multiple websites and all the site management tools and features that you would expect, available to you from our multilingual control panel. The Web Hosting Control Panel lets you control domains, emails, files, databases, FTP access, etc., and monitor performance in real time, viewing things like site statistics on traffic and load, etc. Quick control, right-click context menus, and drag and drop options will make your site management tasks a breeze. A semi-dedicated server is not a compromise when you're looking for a more advanced hosting solution. So sign up today and get our free bonuses: Site Studio Website Builder and a one-click installer of blogs, forums, CMSs, web galleries, and many other sites. With us, you have all the resources and support you need to set up, control, and maintain a reliable and dynamic web presence through a simple, easy-to-use interface, just like a regular hosting account.